Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI. I just got done from a run and I wanted to tell you about one of my new favorite shoes. This is the HOKA Arahi 6. Now, I had known nothing about Hokas. I just know they look like they had a bunch of cushion, and actually when I put them on, it felt really weird. They were really high, didn't know if I would like them or not, but they give me so much stability when I'm running. I'm not a natural runner. I hate running actually, but I have a marathon that I signed up for in August and I needed a really great stable shoe. And this helps me not only run better, I feel, but also keep going. So because of how much cushion it has, it almost gives me like a rocking motion really. And so when I'm hitting the ground and my forefoot is hitting first, it kind of rocks me to keep going. And I really like that, because when I want to stop in the middle of my miles, it kind of like rocks me to keep going, like one more step, you can do it. And I have gotten used to the cloud feeling, like I'm running on clouds because of how much cushion it is. My foot's not going anywhere. The mesh at the top gives a lot of breathability, so I don't feel like my foot is getting swampy or, sticky, anything like that. It really is just a great running shoe for those who need that stability and need that little extra push to keep running. So if you're looking for a great shoe, I recommend this one right here. And that's my point of view.